So one tip that's caused me some problems in the past is if you're in summertime conditions, which I am right now, it actually was sunny, now some clouds have moved in, but if I would let this crack be in direct sunlight, it is actually going to be outside of the temperature range for the specifications on the 45 SSL. Your temperature range is really 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, it's only about 85 degrees Fahrenheit outside, but don't forget, you're actually applying this to concrete. So in direct sunlight, I saw the concrete as high as about 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which pushes it out of the range. It will promote more bubbling during the drying process, and it just doesn't equal a nice finished product. Ask me how I know. Well, I did that once and I got a lot of bubbles and I just wasn't satisfied with the finished product. You can see even with clouds overhead, if I shoot an infrared gun at the shaded part before compared to where there was sunlight, that concrete is still about 8 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit warmer. And as soon as the sun goes out, that will probably go 15 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit warmer. Now, hopefully that helped you out. And in the summertime, when we have the direct sunlight, that's something you really want to pay attention to make sure your sealant is able to dry without getting those bubbles. Now, if you want to see this complete project from start to finish, check out this video right here. I'll walk you through all steps needed to go ahead and seal off cracks in your driveway or sidewalks. Thanks for joining me on this one, and we'll catch you on that next video.